Hello everyone, it's me JP from UniqueTutorials. Today in this video I'll show you how to lock a particular album in Gallery app of Samsung smartphones running One UI. So without further more delay, let's begin. So firstly just open the Gallery application. So say I have one album here, as you can see. So in order to lock this particular album, what you need to do is just click on this menu option. Now click on the settings. Just scroll down below. Now you'll see here about gallery. Just click on it. Now keep tapping on this version number until you see gallery labs is enabled. Now move back. Now just scroll down below again. Now you'll see here one new option, gallery labs. Just click on it. Now just scroll down below. Now you'll see here album entry locks. So just turn it on. Click on OK. Now you need to restart your Samsung smartphone. So finally I have restarted my Samsung smartphone. So once again just open the gallery application. Now just tap and hold on the respective album which you want to lock, and now at the bottom you will see here more option. Just click on it. Now you will see here one new option, lock album. Just click on it. Now you can see here the lock icon appearing. Now if I click on it, it will start asking the password which I need to put here in order to unlock it. So let me put the pin or password to unlock this album. So now you can see the album is being unlocked, and if I move back, it will automatically get locked again. So by using these cool tricks, you can easily lock a particular album in Gallery app of Samsung smartphones running One UI very easily. So if you never known about these cool tricks, then you should definitely give it a try. So if you find this video tutorial useful, please click on the thumbs like button, and if you're new to our channel, click on the subscribe button, and lastly, thanks for watching.